Get a mentor that can teach you how to build a business within a business and another business within that business and another business within that business, but not consuming a lot of time. Your mentor has to show you the links you should have in place when you are documenting videos. Why is the links important? So that you can drive your traffic to books, to websites, masterminds, courses, programs, physical products, digital products, whatever or wherever you want to drive your traffic to. That is the art of online marketing. Taking it a step further, now you get payment plans, membership, subscriptions. That is how you are doing the work once and getting paid over time. That is still something that I must figure out now about the memberships and the subscription. But if you can just think about, where I am at in business, this is an art that is learnable and definitely doable. So grab hold of that mentor